Good morning, good evening, afternoon, or good night. It is me, Job, and today we're gonna do chapter 193 of the Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru manga. And I was quite spoiled by a bit, but maybe not much, but I think it's a filler chapter, at least from the unintentional spoilers that I accidentally opened Discord and then just saw some image and then it's a filler. And I think it's in a grocery. So let's just dive in Shogi, so we can see what's really going on. Chapter 193, the 193 loop. Oh, so she's gonna pick a gift for Ayumu for Christmas. Oh, it's Sakurako! I know I thought it's a Sakurako chapter next chapter because of Yamamoto Sensei's post. But, so she just made an appearance and... okay. She's gonna pick for Taku or something. She's gonna pick a present or something. Sakurako got worried because of the weird movements Urushi makes. So Sakurako does get a present for Taku. What? Excuse me, what? Excuse me, what? 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 Oh no, 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 oh no. No, 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 no. No! No! What? Sir! So she was actually thinking it right. She thought right. And why? And why was she right? No! Why? Why? Is that really Sakurako? It feels like an imposter or something. Or were we expecting something different from her character? Well, it's Ayumu. He's a simple man, so anything Urushi will give will make him happy. I know I would. So it's obviously a mystery until for the next chapters. Maybe next chapter or the other chapter. So I really don't. Seems like Taku is about to get the big surprise. Will his consciousness explode? Ribbon sounds. I feel like Sakurako is a different person with that chapter. Or at least off character. From the things that we have seen before, it feels off character, and I feel like some people are gonna say it's not, and I actually see the point, but it is something that feels off character, that it's not actually off character, but it's just weird. And I wonder what Urushi has gotten Ayumu. I feel like it's a piece of clothing, maybe a scarf or something that Urushi wants Ayumu to use a lot. Maybe a scarf, or no, not a pen, like on their birthday. A scarf is a best choice, but it's themed. It's too themed. Well, I barely have any idea, so let's just wait for the next chapter. So did Sakurako get that candle? So did Sakurako get that thing? Or she just bought both? Well, that's it for me today. See y'all next time. Peace and go. See y'all. Love y'all.